In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to use the Shark DuoClean upright vacuum. Firstly, plug the vacuum into a power socket. Press the power button to turn the vacuum on. Press the power button again to turn it off. Please note that the brush rolls will not spin until you have stepped on the floor nozzle and tilted it back. There are 3 different surface settings on the vacuum. The top position is for thick carpets or rugs. Slide the surface switch to the middle for low-pile carpets. Slide the surface switch to the bottom position for hard floors. A solid green light on the floor nozzle means that the vacuum is working correctly. A solid red light means that there is a jam in the brush roll area. A flashing red light means that the vacuum is overheating. Turn off and unplug the vacuum. Additionally, check for any blockages and wait 60 minutes before using again. A flashing green light means that the vacuum is operating in temperatures that are too high or too low. Please refer to the user manual for more information on operating temperatures. Press the handle release latch to detach the handle from the wand. Press the wand release button to detach the wand from the pod. You can also remove the pod by pressing the release button. With the pod removed, you can remove the wand to make your vacuum portable. It is possible for you to attach the supplied accessories to both the handle and wand. Before emptying the dust cup, ensure the vacuum is unplugged. Then, press the release button on the top of the pod and lift it away from the pod. Empty rubbish into a bin by pressing the lower release button. Close the dust cup door, ensuring it clicks shut. To remove collected debris from the lint screen, press the top release buttons and lift the lid up. Once emptied, close the lid, ensuring it clicks shut. To reinstall the dust cup, place the bottom of the dust cup into the pod and tilt it until it clicks into place. Your Shark vacuum is now ready to use.